So I have this problem with a power supply from a TV, and probably one or more capacitors are bad on this, at least according to ChatGPT and Grok. I consulted both of them, and they said that the transformers are probably fine, and the ceramic capacitors are probably fine. The electrolytic capacitors, these must be faulty, at least one of them. So I'm going to take them out one by one, and hopefully, with the help of a product I ordered, I can test them. Yay! So let's see. The first package. This one. Oh, this is it. I got it on the first try. Okay. So I need that one. And where did I put the... I'll also need a battery for that. Which is... Man. Yeah. It's somewhere. Let's open it. Yeah, this is so funny. I see this many times. You can see here you can start to tear the packaging, and then you go along this. And it makes no sense because you don't open it like that. It remains sealed. If you go like this, it remains sealed. So I don't know what the thinking here is. More effort from the user. So yeah, this is basically a multimeter, a more advanced multimeter with a nice little chip here, 9-volt power, a manual, and a screen. So with this, you open this up, put in the capacitor or whatever in the right spot, to the right contact. You lock it, and then it will do its magic. I think you select this from the... Oh, this is a joystick. So you select some things from the menu, and then... Yeah. Oh, I think the screen is not mounted. Is that the case? Yeah, I think it's not mounted. So this piece of tape is holding it. But, yeah. Oops, I don't want to take out the foil just yet. So what? This is moving. Or what's the problem with this? No, it's not moving. I don't know why they put the tape there. Okay. So I found the battery, which is just a cheap alkaline whatever, but I'll make something rechargeable for it if it turns out to be a valuable tool. It was like 10 bucks. So we should just power it on like this, or read the manual first. Let's read the manual, which is in Polish. Oh boy. Come on. I broke it. It's in Polish, and it's not even a manual. It just says what it can test. NP, NP, transistors, MOSFETs, NP, I don't know what's that, JFET, transistor, resistors, whatever. Oh, here it's in German. Well, that's not better at all. I hate German. So, yeah, elektronische, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's just turn it on. Let's try not to short out anything. Put on the... It's got power, and then... Ooh. No, unknown or damaged part. Oh, but come on. This is like really dumb. I need a manual for this. Because I don't know where to put stuff. Let me just pause this video. Be right back.